Good afternoon, YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to go over my new Aquarium Pharmaceuticals API Freshwater Master Test Kit. I want to show you what's inside them and just give you some quick directions on how to use them. I've been in the pet industry for, well, I was in the pet industry for a couple decades, and this company was my test kits of choice, so I've been using them for years. Although it's a new kit, I just thought I would treat myself to a new fresh start with them instead of trying to find all my old ones. I did open the box just before I started this video, and unfortunately I was totally disappointed already. Everything is on the back of this now. I'm not sure how long it's been like this. I pulled up some of my old cards. They used to be on these nice laminated little cards with the directions on how to use them on the actual card. Now they're on the back of a paper instruction booklet. This is how you actually match up your colors or your test results. But anyway, so I'm disappointed with that already. I'm hoping the quality of the test kits themselves is still good because, like I say, I've used them for years and they've always been the best bang for my buck anyways. So let's just go over them. I will withhold ranting on my disappointment of not having these cards anymore. These are just old random ones that I found in my testing drawer, but they were so handy just to have these, totally laminated, waterproof. I sound like one of those like old guys, you know, back in my day things were built to last, now everything is just made to break. Well, if you get your test kits colors wet and you haven't got them memorized, they're going to break. But anyways, let's go through it. So the first thing we have is the pH. pH solution is easy. Everything is done in these glass test vials, and you fill everything to the line. The instructions are still in the bottle, so that's good. This one is add 3 drops. So you're going to add 3 drops, put the lid on, turn it, shake it, and compare it to the color chart. Super easy. Ammonia is a little bit different, a little bit more complex. These ones, I remember from the past, you have to shake them very well or you won't get the result, especially bottle number 2. I know this because I've used these in the pet industry for a couple decades. So bottle number 1, give it a good shake. Bottle number 2, shake the hell out of it for like 4 minutes. Otherwise, for your ammonia test, you can get a negative reading when in fact there is ammonia in there. So again, you're going to fill it. You're going to add 8 drops of bottle number 1. After you've shaken bottle number 2 really well, shake it a bit more, and then add 8 drops of bottle number 2. Then we are going to wait, and I'm going to pull up this card because it's just easier. Lame instructions. We go back here and we wait for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we go back to this test and then we match it up. Hopefully it's yellow. This is going to be for NH3 and NH4. Either one is bad in your water. So totally simple. It is a 4-minute test though. Make sure you shake bottle number 2. High range was really, I found unnecessary for fresh water, unless you're doing something, I guess, like brackish water, but I don't know. So anyways, I never used high range very much. High range, basically, if your pH is 7 point, the medium range goes to 7.6, 7.8, 8, 8.2, 8.4. Basically, if you have a freshwater tank and your pH is that high, you're in serious trouble as it is, because most freshwater fish are going to like a neutral pH. But same deal. It is an instant test. Shake it, add 5 drops, and then do your range there to see the color. What do we got left? Nitrite. Nitrite is part of the nitrogen cycle. Bacteria break down ammonia into nitrite. We are going to add 5 drops. Shake this one well, and I'll have to look in the instructions. Like I say, it's been a while since I did this one, but you're gonna have to wait. And it's just so silly that the directions for wait times aren't on the bottle anymore. I believe you wait like 3 minutes for that one, but do read the instructions first before you do it. So discouraging that, do I have a nitrite one here? I don't have a nitrite one with me. I'm just looking at my cards here. And then the final one is nitrate. Again, this is a 2-parter. So ammonia breaks down into nitrite, both of which are toxic. Another bacteria breaks down the nitrite into nitrate, which is less toxic. Nitrate is plant food. It's going to cause lots of algae growth. So we want to keep our nitrates low anyways. fill to the line. Bottle number 1, add 10 drops. Bottle number 2, this is another one where whatever reason, shake them well, but bottle number 2, shake and shake and shake and shake and shake and shake and shake. And then when you're done shaking, shake it some more. Add 10 drops of number 2. And then I'm going to go to these cards that aren't provided anymore because API, that's just crappy of you. And I'm going to look at the back because it clearly says then we wait 1 minute. We shake it and then we wait 5 minutes. And then compare, just like so. But you guys would compare to here on the new test kit. So nitrates, the lower the better, the less algae problems you'll have. And that is the API Freshwater Master Test Kit and everything that is included in it. Everything you need for a freshwater aquarium. I'm going to be using this for my pond, which of course is also freshwater, and do some testing on that. I hope you liked this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to my channel. As always, thanks for watching.